Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning for everyone. My name is Tun Fatimawati binti Tajul Arifin. My matrix number is JG/9270/16. Here I want to introduce for mental health awareness. In the present and interconnect world, the meaning of mental health awareness could possibly be more significant. As society explores the intricacies of day-to-day existence, understanding and recognize mental health becomes central. This mindfulness isn't just about perceiving mental health issue, yet cultivating a climate that advances prosperity, compassion, and backing. In this presentation, we dive into why psychological wellness mindfulness is critical for people, networks, and society at large. Thank you.
Thanks, moderator. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to all of you. My name is Muhammad Azuhar bin Ramli. Okay, for my part is about the importance of mental health. Mental health is a very important thing in life. It is the determinant of the quality of life and the overall health and well-being of individuals, communities, and society. Mental health is important in building public health and overall well-being. It is also important to acknowledge that mental health is closely related to the psychological well-being of families and communities. Childhood and adolescence are the foundation for healthy development and good mental health. Therefore, it is important for individuals, communities, and society as a whole to prioritize and invest in mental health promotion and support system. Mental health is not only the absence of mental illness, but a state of complete well-being that includes emotional, social, and psychological aspects. It is important to prioritize mental health in order to live an overall healthy and fulfilling life. Thank you.
Hello to our fellow mates and respected lecturer. My name is Melissa N. Alexander and I will be talking on how to reduce stigma. But first, let me explain on what is stigma. When someone perceives you negatively due to a certain quality or trait such as skin tone, ethnicity, handicap, physical look, or especially a mental disease, it is known as stigma. When someone's sickness is used to define them rather than their unique identity, stigma occurs. The prejudice and societal stigma that persons with mental health concerns face can exacerbate their conditions and make recovery more difficult. The individual may decide not to seek the necessary assistance out of fear of being stigmatized. I would also like to state some of the repercussions of stigma. It can develop feelings of guilt, helplessness, and loneliness, might even lead to reluctance to seek assistance or go for therapy. Here are some methods on how to reduce stigma. If we are faced with someone experiencing mental illness, it is best to get to know them deeper firsthand, as it will teach us to view them more as unique individuals than as seeing them from someone who suffers a disease. We should also not discriminate against or pass judgment on someone who suffers from mental illness. As a fellow human being who are known to be born with flaws, we need to learn on how to show humility and respect to everyone equally. Moreover, we need to refrain from using language that prioritizes their sickness above the individual. When you hear someone in your immediate vicinity making false or stereotyped remarks regarding mental illness, speak out and do not be afraid. It may seem small, but passing on knowledge about something as serious as stigma can help an affected individual. Lastly, we may describe our experience, if any, mental illness. By doing so, falsehoods will be debunked and others will be inspired to follow. Mental illness is not something to be ashamed or kept under wraps. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Arif Haidi bin Muhammad Asri, matrix number JG1226621. Would like to give my opinion on how to promote well-being society. Unity in the people is actually born from the spirit of acceptances and high respect between to build an attitude, races and religion. Therefore, priority should be given to effort to build an attitude and acceptances accompanied by noble value of character in society. Harmony and well-being in community relation can only be realized if each individual has a good and understanding of their respective role and apply good value in daily interaction. Good relation in multi-ethnic society cannot be compromised by any party that has its own personal planning or group. There needs to be compassion for the people who wants the peace and stability of the country to have the opportunity to continue their survival safely and securely. Enough chores and conflict the foreign countries as a lesson for us. In conclusion, all parties need to be responsible in carrying out this duty. Leaders of various levels especially should be aligned in realizing the national unity planning. Thank you.
Good day to our respected lecturer and my fellow friends. My name is Kennedy Sinol with matrix number JG/11936/21. To sum up, mental health awareness has emerged as a crucial and transformative movement, fostering understanding, empathy, and proactive measures to address the multifaceted challenges of mental health. As societies increasingly recognize the prevalence of mental health disorders and the profound impact they have on individuals, families, and communities, the importance of promoting awareness cannot be overstated. The impact of mental health awareness extends beyond individual well-being to societal structures and policies. Advocacy efforts have prompted changes in legislation, workplace practices, and healthcare systems, emphasizing the need for accessible and inclusive mental health services. The acknowledgement of mental health as a vital component of public health has spurred an initiative that aim to create supportive environments and reduce systemic barriers to treatment. Lastly, the journey toward mental health by breaking down stigma, encouraging open conversations that dismantle long-standing misconceptions surrounding mental well-being. This shift has empowered individuals to seek help without fear of judgment, fostering a culture that prioritizes mental health as an integral aspect of overall well-being. Moreover, we can combat the negative impact of mental illnesses on individuals and society. It is our responsibility to advocate for mental health awareness so that everyone can live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. That's all. Thank you.